Hello there. In this video we're going to be talking about how to insert an image and a video into your new website that was created at basiccustomwebsite.com. So let's just go ahead and jump into this. I've already logged into my dashboard, and if you don't know how to do that, please refer to one of our other videos titled How to Log In and Intro to Dashboard, and that will explain how to do that. So let's go ahead and go into Post. I'm going to go ahead and create a new post here. And the very first thing we're going to be talking about is how to import an image into your post. So we've got our new post here, and we're going to call it Test Post 1. Okay. And what I like to do is there's a link here that you can actually insert a video directly on your text editor here. However, that's not the way I would prefer you learn how to do it. I actually like this way better. So I just come up here and I hit upload or insert. Make sure, yep, there it is. And it's going to pull up this nice little window. And there's several ways you can actually import an image onto your new post or page for that matter. For one, you can insert from your computer, or you can insert from a URL, or if you already have an image that you have used in the past and it's already in your media library. And by the way, there's another video on our site talking about your media library. Then you can actually find that image already there and you can insert it from your media library. However, for this, we're going to go over two different other options, which is from my computer. So if you haven't yet got an image stored on your computer, then what we would want to do is go ahead and select an image. See if I can make this window a little smaller so you can see it. And I'm going to go to my desktop, which is where I store my images, and I'm going to hit Happy Face. And I know this is going to be blocked out down at the bottom, but you'll just hit OK or Open. Okay? And it's going to go ahead and load it in. Once it's loaded in, this will appear, and then you can just go ahead and hit Insert into Post. And it's that simple. And as soon as it inserts, here it is. Now let's say you want to edit this. You don't like it here, you would rather it be over here. Let me show you how I do that. I come over here and I hit this icon here, and that will actually take me in where I can edit my picture or image. I can zoom in or zoom out. It can be the 100%, or let's say I want it smaller. So we'll do 70%. I don't mess with the alignment here. For other browsers, it doesn't work. It's only for select browsers that this will actually work. So don't use this section. Just leave it on the none. You want to go ahead and hit link to image, because if you're using a actual pop-up, if we've got it encoded on your site that it will pop up a window reflecting that image, you need to make sure you hit this. So just make sure that is selected. Come up here to Advanced, and you're going to need to do this on every single image that you insert. Okay, so you'll just delete this out. Always delete what's here. And then you'll need to type one of these two wording here. Float left, margin right, or float right, margin left. Now don't worry about this. This will be in the description on the video, and on our website it will be listed right below the video. And then once you've keyed this in once, your computer should actually memorize it, and you'll have it show up just like I do. So once you're coming here, you'll just hit F, and boom, there it is. So in this case, I want it floating right. but I want the margin on the left side. Alright, and then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to hit update. Now you'll see that it's actually over on that side. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll insert some text here. We'll go to our main website, Country Smart. So let me go ahead and come in here. I'm going to select one of our recent articles that we have published. And let me just grab some just plain ordinary text here, just for this example. So we'll just grab this here. And if you'll notice, the way this image is, even though it's not the best of images that we want to see, but you'll see that this margin appears. Just like what I'm showing you on your new site, this is how it will appear once you actually publish this to your website. Okay, so let me go ahead and get this text in here. You'll notice it's got a hyperlink. That's very simple to take off. You highlight it, come up here, and you'll actually hit this unlink, and it will unlink this from hypertext. So if you copy and paste something into your website, just remember to unlink it. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll move this image up here. And now you'll see that it appears on the left-hand side. We'll go ahead and close this gap, and there it is. Let me just make this text a little longer. And you'll see that the image will stay here. You'll see the margin appears because it's at the edge of your image, and it just floats onto the left-hand or the right-hand side. Now let's say we don't want it here, we actually prefer it on this other side. Very simple to fix. Just come up here, hit edit, and just like before, we'll go to advance. And for some reason, this will always default back, so just highlight it, delete it, hit your F key, and once you've typed both of these in, they will automatically appear. Now we want it floating to the left-hand side. So we'll just hit left, float left, update, and there it is. It's that simple. Now let's say you want to put a video on here, okay? Alright, so we'll just come up here. On all of our websites, you'll actually have a little button that says Insert YouTube Video. We make sure this is on every site that we build for our customers. So just hit the word Insert, or hit on the icon. Now, when you're actually on a YouTube video, and this is going to be on, I've already logged into our YouTube channel here at Country Smart, and I'm going to go down to my video manager. Once you've uploaded a video, you'll actually have your video manager appear on the screen. Okay, so let's go ahead, for argument's sake, I'm going to select choosing healthy cat food. This was a video done by us a little while back, and you'll see it's loading in here. So let me go ahead and pause it once it loads in. Okay, now you come down to your share button. Go ahead and hit the word share. And there are two ways you can actually insert this link by using these two formats. You can use this format here, u2.b, and then you'll have the actual ID for the video, or you can use this format here. And if you'll notice, when you hit embed, here is the actual iframe format, and you'll see that this is the text that it's asking for. Okay, but I feel it's so much easier just to go ahead and get this here. So just highlight it, right click, copy. Whoops, I actually cut it, so let me put it back. So I will highlight it and then copy. I will go ahead and come over here, insert it into, paste it into here, hit insert, and there it is. That's my YouTube video. So let me go ahead and publish this, and then we'll see what it looks like on our website. So once it is published, you can go to your website by coming up here. Now this will be your website name, and of course not basic custom website. You'll hit visit site, and then wherever your blog posts are, which generally there'll be a blog tab, or over to the side there generally is going to be a new blog, or depending on how your site is set up, you could also see your new blog entries here. But for this site, it's gonna be right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit test, and as you can see, we've got our image right there. This is our YouTube video, and we're in business. It is that simple. I hope you've enjoyed watching this simple educational video on how to insert a image or a video onto your new website. If you don't yet have a website through us, check out basiccustomwebsite.com today and see if one of our free websites will fit your needs. Alright, well thanks again for watching. Be sure to check out our main website, countrysmart.net. Have a great day.